Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 5 best Nikon camera you can buy Amazon. Why should you care about buying the best Nikon cameras for yourself? You should care about buying the best Nikon cameras for yourself because they are one of the best camera brands in the market. They offer a wide range of cameras, so you can find one that suits your needs. Nikon cameras are also very affordable, so you will be able to buy a good quality camera without breaking your budget. Here on La Veterans we are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research and new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon. It inspires me to make videos like this. Number 5. Nikon Coolpix P900. You'll never need to worry about getting close enough to make that perfect shot again. With the Nikon Coolpix P900, you can get closer than ever before. A whopping 2000mm of optical zoom, more than any Nikon Coolpix yet, enables you to get up close and personal without compromising on image quality. Capture the details with a powerful lens that's perfect for sports, action, or wildlife photography. Capture amazing high-resolution pictures and videos with the Nikon Coolpix P900. With such powerful zoom, you can see what's happening, even if you're miles away. Life is full of beauty close up and far away. Number 4. Nikon D850 600 DSLR. If you're ready to take your photos to the next level, you can't go wrong with this Nikon DSLR camera. It has a powerful 24.2 MP CMOS sensor, XP 4 image processor, high-quality 1080p Full HD video recording at 60 fps, and a 3.2 inches 1.037 meter vari-angle touchscreen for a wide range of shooting positions and perspectives. Built-in Wi-Fi lets you transfer your photos to your smartphone or tablet for instant sharing with the Snap Bridge. Upgrade your photography skills today. Number 3. Nikon Z6. The Nikon D6 is the perfect camera for the enthusiast photographer who wants a pro-level DSLR but doesn't want to sacrifice speed, resolution or low-light performance. It shoots 12 frames per second at 12-bit uncompressed RAW or JPEG. It shoots 4K Ultra HD video with full pixel readout for vivid colors and sharp detail. Plus, it captures brilliant low-light images up to ISO 51/200. Ideal for those seeking an all-around camera with a balance of resolution, speed and low-light performance. The Nikon Z6 is a professional-grade DSLR camera. Number 2. Nikon Z7. The Nikon Z7 camera is an innovative, game-changing camera that's the perfect mix of high resolution and mobility. With 45.7 MP full-frame sensor, 4K UHD video, built-in NFC, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, ISO range of 100 to 25,600. With the Nikon Z7 mirrorless camera, you have a choice of shooting in full frame or cropped mode to suit your field of view and subject. Choose from the world's fastest continuous shooting rates up to 20 fps when in use with compatible lenses. This is an innovative camera designed to meet the demands of professional videographers, cinematographers, and photographers who want full-frame detail in their video or photos. Number 1. Nikon D850. The Nikon D850 FX format digital SLR camera features a back-illuminated 45.7 MP CMOS sensor for beautifully detailed shots. The D850 is perfect for both stills and video work, with 4K UHD video capture, time-lapse shooting, ISO 100 to 25,600 sensitivity, and uncompressed 14-bit RAW files. It's also compatible with many Nikkor lenses with the F-mount autofocus that keeps up focus in near darkness. 8K time-lapse using interval timer. In a world of high-speed action, only one camera can keep up. Introducing the Nikon D850. That's fast enough to capture the world's most fleeting moments.